Somalia has been on political agenda internationally quite some time now. Main reasons being pirates, security and that sort of thing. And I'm really happy to say the focus has now changed from instability to development. And that itself is a big milestone.
Like the event is important for the British Somali community because I know that every single Somali in Britain cares about the betterment of Somalia.
Young people do want to rebuild Somalia, but most importantly, they want to share the skills that they've learned in this great country.